Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have there's this topic I want us to discuss with you guys. It's about things that guys do that are unattractive, and most of these things guys don't think. To them they never hawajuangi they are doing something that's a turn off to chicks. So I'm going to name some of those things. The first thing is that when a guy makes vague plans, or a guy telling you ati tutamit lini ama nikuone lini, if you are making plans with a chick, you make plans, tell her let's meet here and here, I buy you lunch, or be straight to the point. Hata kushinda ukiuliza ati nakuona lini, tutamit lini, things like that. So you should make actual plans with a chick. That's a turn on. The second thing is treating a girl badly after getting rejected. Yeah, treating a girl badly. You're over there, umekatia dem, you guys, okay, the chick is friendly and everything, but after actually shooting your shot, dem amekukata, si ndio? Alafu you are there saying ati hata wewe si mrembo nini, okay, that's a big turn off. That's so unattractive. Ukikataliwa wewe katalika tu. That's not a good thing. Yeah, so the other thing is when he acts like he doesn't care. It's like he wants you but he doesn't want you. I don't know how to put this. A good example is when a guy is inviting you somewhere, maybe he has plans and he'd want you to be there, and you'll actually also want to go, but a guy is you can come if you want. Who does that? If you want thing, a chick anaweza kuwa okay, I'm in for it, I'm invitiwa, but akiona that if you want statement, huyo dem hataenda kwenye alikuwa unamwita. So that's another thing that's so unattractive. The other thing that's a turn off is when he won't put down his cell phone. There are these guys who sijui wanashindanga kwa simu akifanya nini, sijui ni kubet ama ni text madem wengine ama sijui, I never understand what exactly. There are these specific guys who are always on their phone. Invite them somewhere, or you are having some time with a chick, but instead of this guy akupe attention, ni ako kwa simu. Surely, what do you want, Aki? That's a big turn off. The other thing, it's immature men. Okay, this inafaa kwa point number 1. Immature men. When a guy is immature, can't communicate, brags about things that are not even there, my father has this and that, I have some money, nini, things like that. It's okay, bragging, not communicating, treating a girl badly, pia that's immature of him. There are so many things that the word immaturity can go with. So that's always a big turn off. Yeah. The other thing is constantly talking about his ex. Sizo mliachana years ago, bado a guy is kind of comparing you to his ex. Ati unajua, my ex was doing this and that. Ati there was a time, I don't know what. Okay, that's usually a very big turn off. This shows a chick that maybe you're still thinking about this girl, ama maybe you'll never love the chick compared to the way you loved your ex. Talking about your ex is never a good thing at all, and most men should stop doing this. It's so unattractive, yani. Yeah. So I don't know which other points I can talk about. There are so many things. Being a mama's boy, yani a guy is always listening to his mom. Sikatai it's bad to listen to your mom, but a guy is listening to his mom at the expense of his girlfriend. Haezi skiza dem yake. The mom is do this and that. but your girlfriend is okay. I don't know how to explain this, but you know what I'm talking about. A guy being a mama's boy, always asking for money from the mom. Like everything just revolves around the mom. It's usually so unattractive. Yeah. The other thing is blaming her for whatever caused the end of the relationship. Okay, like after dating and all that, I don't think you guys should blame each other for something that you both of you were in it, you know. So like you were saying my dates, no. And then by the way, I'm not trying to refer to anyone, but I'm just saying, like, you guys are my date, and then like the both of you may decide like let's break up, you know. But I don't know why most times the blame will go on the chick. Like the guy has to blame the chick on why a relationship has ended. I don't know, she didn't do this and that. Like that's such a big turn off. The other point is when a guy is too sexual or talks so much about sex or sexual things, you know what I mean, guys? Like a guy, like ana sexualize them sana, like seeing a chick as an object or a sexual whatever, you know. That's always, I guess that's the biggest turn off. I'm not against guys complimenting or anything, but when a guy sexualizes a chick and sees her like an object or anything, I hate that so much. There are so many incidences that occur whereby a chick, dem tu anatembea tao, and then you see a guy just spanking a random chick. So hizo hata hamjuani, like out of nowhere a guy spanking a chick in public. What the hell is that? That's so bad. And also in that point, like being too sexual or sexualizing girls, I think it should be, guys should normalize not doing that. Like a girl has so much to offer apart from just sex and her body and everything. So guys should mind that. The other thing is too outgoing with the opposite sex. Okay, for me, I don't know about this point. Too outgoing with the opposite. Okay, too outgoing. Ikiwa too much. But me, I don't mind a guy that I'm dating going out with the opposite sex, like as friends, you know. But ikiwa too much, sasa that's something else. Sasa why would you do that and you have a girlfriend? Why can't you go to me? Yeah. The other thing is being too dependent on your parents. Like it's always about your parents, you know. I don't know. Okay, it's not wrong, like involving your parents in things you do, but when you go too dependent on your parents can be depending on you, that's okay. But you being too dependent on your parents, you can't do things on your own. Yeah. So when you get a chick, how will you even do things together and grow together? You will still be depending on your parents. I do think about that. The other thing is entertaining other girls. Yeah? Entertaining other girls. Especially when you are dating. When you are dating, you are supposed to actually cut off any girls you used to flirt with, ama hit on. Yeah? You see, so this is a good point actually. Don't entertain other girls in their DMs. Like the machine akikuuliza ati who is Shiko, who is who, utashindwa ukiulizwa who is who hadi lini, and you are there flirting with that chick. So guys should normalize cutting off girls when they start dating. Another thing is insecure men. Kwanza this one, if you know you are an insecure guy, first of all, don't even get into a relationship. You know why? You'll be projecting your insecurities to your chick. maybe this guy has so many insecurities such that he's even insecure about his body. Maybe he's been cheated on before. He think that the next chick will cheat on him. I mean, there are so many insecurities a guy could have, you know. Maybe this guy thinks he doesn't have enough money to date a chick, you know. So when this guy gets into a relationship, he obviously will be projecting his insecurities to the chick. Yeah? Juu atakuwa anamuuliza ati vitu kama, why did you choose me? Like, hadi hajiamini, like, why did you choose me? Says, oh, you love the guy and everything, but the guy is still doubting the fact that you're with him. So he's still insecure about himself, you see. It's like he's not enough being himself. I don't know how to put it. You guys get the point. The other thing is, when a guy when a guy is a lady pleaser, I don't know if this is wrong. Is this unattractive? I don't know. If you guys comment below. Being a lady pleaser, you know, there are these guys who are naturally just good guys, like they like helping out and not really pleasing people. I don't know how to put it. Okay, about this point I'm not sure. I don't know how to argue about it, but for some girls, when you are dating a chick and you're over there trying to please other chicks, you are flirting and all, okay, that would be a turn off, definitely. Yeah. So the other point is when a guy texts a chick, okay, the guy has already hitted on you, sindo zakata, but the guy pale mkisha achana is texting you like he's not interested, and at first admitted alikuwa ameshow interest in you. So you don't know exactly what this guy wants from you. What exactly does he want? He was showing you attention and all that, but sasa he's texting like he isn't interested, but at the same time he is. Me sometimes elewange jana, honestly. So these are some of the things that girls are so unattracted about with guys. It can be when you're dating or you're not, either way. But most of them apply when you're actually dating. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. You can drop on, suggest on more points, or give more points, or comment on any point I've talked about down below. And yeah, we can know more about this. Tuchanue hao maboy, like wajue vitu wade hawapendi. So thank you guys for watching once again. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you. Lots of love. Bye.